Hi friends, in this video I will be explaining how to change Python font size by mouse scroll. If you can see, my screen is getting uh, zoomed and zoomed out. So I will be explaining how to change this. So first of all, you need to go to File. Under this file you will find the settings. Here you need to type mouse control. So under the mouse control you will see there is a option change the font size with control plus mouse wheel. You have to take it and apply and save it. Now you can see your editor got so smart and you can change your font accordingly. One more, you can split your editor like this and you can work like this. If you want more video on this, you can give your views on comment section. I can make more video for you. So thank you so much.